Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today I've come to you with something very amazing. I've come to you to show you a very good website that will allow you to make money from the comfort of your home. Okay, have you heard about this website? Maybe it's something that you know, but it has not clicked your mind that this website is highly paying. The only thing you need to do on this very website, freebies, is just simply like, comment and watch videos and get paid. Okay, so let's quickly go into that. Let's quickly check. But before I go into this website in detail, I only need to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and like my video as well, and also share my videos. Okay, so just pick up your phone, make sure you have a network connection, and navigate to Software Chrome and type in freebies.com. Okay, it will bring you to something of this nature. It will bring you to this dashboard. You see, in this place there's home, there's make money, there's about us, there's contact, there's login, there's register. Okay, the only thing that you just need to do here is click on start or get start now. Okay, so just click on get started now, and this will take you to where you can fill in this very form and register and start making money for yourself. Okay, so just click on get started. If you click on get started, let's see where it will take you to. It will bring you to this very place, you see, where it shows create an account. The only thing that you just need to do here is just fill in this place your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, your country. Select your country here, your password, confirm password, and also how did you hear about us. Then you make a choice here. Click here and just make a choice. TikTok, Instagram, anywhere you can just pick in your choice and click on I agree with the terms and condition of this very platform, and click on register. Okay, so that is it. So let's see some of those very important things you just need to see or need to do on this very platform to see how you can start earning money from the comfort of your home just with your smartphone. Okay, let's see how it works. You can see, just sign up to get your referral code and start earning 500 NGN or any on every referral. Okay, on this very platform, before I forget, they pay in naira, they also pay in USD, in dollars. Okay, so all you just need to do is sign up and get your referral code. Okay, and one of the most fascinating thing about this platform is that you can also hire workers. Okay, you can also hire social media workers here, because the same thing you come for, a lot of people have other services to come and look for people to render the service for them. Okay, so the next thing you just need to do, you can come to this place, you hire workers, increase visibility or more sales. Okay, so you can either want people to watch your videos on TikTok or follow you up on TikTok or on YouTube channel. You can as well come to this place and look for people to do for you here. Okay, so you can see earn and cash out. Log into your dashboard to access available jobs. You can earn as much as 100,000 NGN daily when you like, share, comment on a post or play games. You see, this is very simple and this is very amazing. All you just need to do now, just get up your smartphone, and I'll be dropping a link at the descriptive section of this very video and also at the comment section of this very video, so that you can just click on it and it will take you here, sign up and start making money now. All you just need to do is very simple. Okay, all you just need to do is like, all you just need to do is share, all you just need to do is comment or play games on this very channel, on this very website, and start making money. Okay, now let's see further. You want to start earning? Click the get started button to start earning cool cash from your social media accounts. Okay, so let's see how many people are currently. This website has 14,400 available jobs, 34,791 jobs. You can see there are still a lot of available jobs on this very platform that you can start earning. So see some see some payouts here. A lot of people have been paid out so far. This person was paid 1,093 naira cash withdrawals, 475 naira. You can see all and see the sum that I've cashed out. So frequently asked question, you see on this very website, you can just go through it calmly, make your own research, and start earning now. Okay, I've showed you how you can start, how you can sign up, which I said you should just click on get started now. Okay, if you click on get started now, it will take you to another interface whereby you can just fill in your name, your details, and start earning. Okay, I've showed that earlier. So let's look at on this make money. Okay, 4 ways you can make money on freebies. Let's check. Number one says you can complete tasks and earn. As a verified user, you have access to limitless job above 10. Okay, you have access to limited job above 10 naira. That's as a verified user, you have access to limited job. You keep giving offer until you work tire. You can as well hire workers to engage your social media post. To engage your social media post, you can see you can boost your YouTube channel on here, TikTok, and others. Okay, cash out more than 10,000 naira at a time by just referring friends and not completing tasks at all. You see, one of the most fascinating thing about this platform is that you can just refer a friend and cash out no less than 10,000 naira. Four says you automatically earn login points each day you log in. You see, each day you log in, you automatically earn a point. Copy your referral code and also keep sharing them. Enjoy life with freebies. Click here to get started. You can see you sign up, earn cash, and hire workers. These are the major three activities that are here. Okay, so in this contact us, you might be wondering what is here. So in this contact us, should you have any issue, all you just need to do, go to your contact us, contact them, and everything will be resolved. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. All you just need to do, sign up now and start earning now. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. If you have not liked my videos as well, please do, and also share my videos. If you do have any question, do not hesitate to drop it at the comment section and I will get to you ASAP. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.